Hey everyone, Scott from Scott's Top Tips. Hey, today we're gonna go over this lint roller. I'm gonna show you a trick that I use to always know where the tab is. Don't you hate it trying to mess with it and find it so you can pull off, some of the dirty ends there? Sometimes it's difficult to find. So I have a trick for that. But then I'm gonna go around my immediate area here in my house, and I'm gonna show you different ways you can use this, not just for your clothes, pick up lint or pet hair or whatever. You're going to use it to pick up crumbs and all kinds of other little items, and I'm actually going to show you that. So let's get started. First off, grab a Sharpie or some type of felt tip marker that has a removable cap. Okay, that's key. So what I do on my lint rollers is I actually will tape the cap right to the bottom of it here. And I'm actually going to show you this. So I actually keep it right here pinned. This way I can always remove it, and then I mark my edge so I know exactly where I can peel from, and then I just pop it back in. So grab any tape. I like using duct tape, so I'm going to grab some duct tape right now. Just like this. Again, doesn't need to be pretty. You're just going to secure it. There you go. Now you can take this, pop it in there. It can stick out, that's fine, because when you actually place this, wherever you place the roller, you're actually going to put it straight down like that. So that can stick up. Not a problem. Okay, let's grab it anyways right now. Okay, so now that we have this, we are going to find the edge, and then we're going to mark it. So the first step here is you need to determine the edge. I just luckily found the edge right there. So I'm simply use my marker, and I just make a little mark just like that, straight across. And then I do a little cross, or you can do a little cross T on that. That little intersection, kind of like a bullseye or like on a scope, that lets you know that's where the edge is. Then you can start peeling from there. See how it disconnects? Let's put it back. There you go. Once you're done, keep the pen in there, okay? Because you'll see this whole area is going to get dirty. You want to be able to grab it quickly, tear it off, and get a new sheet. Let's go over the different ways that you can use this lint roller. Pick up crumbs, dirt, whatever, right? Little messes, of course, pet fur. So we're going to cruise around and do that. All right, pet hair. Everyone uses this to clean up your pet hair, right? Slower. There we go. Lint roller works extremely well. So now I have all of that. What happens is everything gets on the sticky piece here of the lint roller, makes it less sticky. So this is where you want to start tearing all this off. And of course I have my little mark right there. So I'm going to tear off this dirty piece, and I'll have some fresh sheets. Go. Okay. There you go. You can see where the seam is right there. See that? What you're going to want to tear. Do a little crosshair again. All right, there you go. So this stuff picks up crumbs extremely well. Case in point, little chips here. Okay. Lightly. So sticky, it was peeling up everything here. There we go. Those fell on the ground, and I'll talk about that in just a second. I'm doing this with one hand, but if I had two hands, I'd be able to hold this down a little bit better. As you can see, you want to pick all of that stuff up. And It actually does a pretty good job because it's sticking to everything else. Okay, case in point, there you go. So for quick little messes, and here I'm just gonna put the camera down really quick and get this cleaned up. I cleaned everything up, and you can see everything is stuck on there. So I'm gonna tear off a new sheet, and we're gonna go down to the floor because I'm gonna show you some stuff that you can do without having to break out your vacuum cleaner. This works extremely well, especially like pet hair, extra little crumbs. Again, there's major crumbs like a lot of this here. Yep, if you have to vacuum anyways, you're gonna go ahead and vacuum. But if it's quick little crumbs, this picks it up. Look at all of that. So another thing that happens is on my coffee carafe here, my Keurig, tend to drop these little pods, and then you get all of the coffee grounds that are inside. So this actually works well. Pick that up. See that? And sometimes grabbing a paper towel or like a wipey, sanitation wipe, it just doesn't stick to it. All of this does. Look at that. That cleans it up extremely well. And angle it out to get in between the grout lines. There we go. And of course, pet hair on your couch, sofa, chairs, whatever. This just cleans it up just nicely. You don't have to break out the vacuum cleaner. You don't have to kick it on the floor, then vacuum it up. There we go. Okay. All the hairs are on that. Works extremely well. And of course, do your little marks. You always know where the tab is. When you're finished, put it in your area that's readily accessible. Just like that. That's it. Quick and easy. Again, simple little tip. Use a lint roller more than just for lint on your clothes. You can use it as just a very quick cleaning tool. Clean up quick messes that you don't want to break out the vacuum cleaner, then have to coil everything back up, the cord, put it back in the closet. Also, you know, if you don't have the wipies and stuff keeps falling off the cloth and you're just having to do a little extra work, break out the lint roller, roll up on it, tear, throw it away, put it back. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, if you haven't liked, please like the video. Go ahead and give me some comments, good or bad, on this. And yeah, keep watching for the next one. And we'll see you on the next one. Okay.